Do you intend to launch a new company in South Africa? What about operating a pizza vending machine company? The popularity of quick and easy meals has increased, making a pizza vending machine a lucrative business. Imagine being able to instantly deliver hot, delectable pizzas to hungry customers anywhere and at any time. It's simpler than you might think to set up a pizza vending machine business in South Africa. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up your venture. First, conduct market research to identify the demand for pizza and potential vending machine locations. Next, develop a business plan outlining your goals, target customers, pricing strategy, and marketing tactics. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses required to operate a food vending machine business. Source high-quality ingredients and partner with local suppliers to ensure a fresh and delicious product. Invest in a reliable and user-friendly pizza vending machine that can handle high demand and maintain food safety standards. Create a visually appealing design for your machine that grabs attention and entices hungry customers. Set up your vending machine in strategic locations such as malls, university campuses, or office complexes. Consider partnering with local businesses or events to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Regularly inspect and maintain your vending machine to ensure it is in working order and meets hygiene standards. Train your staff or yourself to handle customer inquiries, operate the machine, and deal with any technical issues. Maintain open lines of communication with your customers, both online and offline, to gather feedback and address concerns. Continually innovate and update your menu offerings to keep customers interested and coming back for more. Monitor your business performance by tracking sales, customer feedback, and market trends to make informed decisions. Stay up to date with industry news and developments to stay ahead of your competition and adapt your strategies accordingly. Consider implementing loyalty programs or special promotions to reward loyal customers and encourage repeat business. Collaborate with local influencers or food bloggers to create buzz and interest around your pizza vending machine. Evaluate your business periodically and make necessary adjustments to improve efficiency and profitability. Maintain a strong online presence through a website and social media platforms to connect with potential customers. Consider expanding your business by adding more vending machines in different locations or exploring franchising opportunities. Take customer feedback seriously and use it to improve your product, service, and overall customer experience. Consider offering customization options such as build your own pizza or gluten-free crust to cater to a wider audience. Invest in effective marketing campaigns to create awareness and attract customers to your pizza vending machines. Network with other entrepreneurs in the food industry to share knowledge, experience, and support each other. You can buy pizza vending machines online at efrmart.co.za. They range from 291,408 to 503,937 rand. The machines are fully automated, they have an intelligent self-cleaning system. For more information about these machines, please go to the mentioned website above or go to Chinatown Mall in Midrand. Stay committed, patient, and persistent during the early stages of your business as you build your customer base and brand. With dedication and hard work, your pizza vending machine business in South Africa has the potential to be a success.